let's be talking about humanity as a corpus. The living in the world is unique and spectacular marvel. Billions of individuals and millions of kinds of plants and animals that associating variety richness. Everything in the world is working together, benefit from energy of the sun and mineral on the earth. Leading live that interact in such a way that sustain each other. But now the natural world is floating. The humans who lived on the earth now sending biodiversity to decline. The entire ecosystem would come crashing now. In the past, we invented farm. We learned how to explore the season to produce food crops. And then the history of our human civilization began. Agricultural start in the past and go forward into the future. Human invent agricultural between 7,000 to 10,000 years ago. People adapt irrigation to agricultural. And why did human invent agricultural? Everybody can answer this question. That's because humans need habitat, they need to consume and to live a life. No food, no life. In the past, most of agriculture is monocultural farming. It continued to efficiently facilitate mass production. It degrades soils and requires increased fertilization and chemical input exponential use fertilizers, and continue to run off from industrial agricultural farming. Agricultural farm is compounding nutrient pollution in an aquatic system and compromise to integrity of our ecological system. If we ignore that problem, global food product will enter to crisis as soils become exhausted by overrush. And then how to restore agricultural. We would be dedicated to raising plants. We could increase the yield of the land substantially. We have been inventing new farming and agricultural, which we call sustainable agricultural and like smart farm, etc. Sustainable agriculture is involved building, maintaining healthy soils, managing water wisely, minimize air, water, climate pollution, and especially promoting biodiversity. Nowadays, we can adapt technology and innovation for agricultural. It's entirely possible for us to apply both low-tech and high-tech to solution to produce much more food and much less land. Building a robot and machine to support agriculture assembly. For example, we use drone to spray fertilizer. We use robots, which are a major contribute to new technology and harvesting without manual labor to allow larger area for land to be harvested. We can start produce food in new space such as vertical farming like hydroponic. That means the plant will control its environment with their roots and water. This method utilizes space and reduce water. Farming is land, layer, and outdoor even building. There are some examples for agricultural transition. The world has changed. We must not ignore many problems and many transitions in the world. We interdependence for each other, human and natural. But now, in my opinion, we exploit the nature. Did you know something? Carbon dioxide in atmosphere increased from 3010 to 4015 ppm, but otherwise remaining oneness from 1954 and to 2020 decreased from 64% to only 35%. In one day, we won't have air to breathe anymore. No one wants this to happen. We can help the world for good future for the next generation. I hope that our generation able to develop and progress. That starts with us. Thank you.